Sir, in your honest view, why did they remove teaching of history in our academic curriculum? Could it be that the teaching of the history in school, in our institutions, was the reason why we had division and tribalism that we witness today?
No, it's not the reason. Actually, nobody has given us reason for removing it, but development of technology is responsible for that, and the political situation. If you watch what has been going on since democracy, you will notice that most of our political leaders will not want their past to be known by their children and their grandchildren. It's all about history. In our days, we learned history to know more about heroes so that we will try to imitate them. But in today's world, nobody is anxious to know about what their father did because their father did not represent them well. So nobody will be anxious for history.